Struggling with the protection definition? Update failed error. Code -21467629495. On Windows 11? Learn how to fix it step by step and keep your system secure. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to System, then click on Troubleshoot. Next, click on Other Troubleshoots and find the option you need. Click Run to start the troubleshooter, and once it's done, click Close. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button again and go back to Settings. This time, go to Windows Update and check for updates. If updates are available, install them to make sure your system is up to date. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Now, search for Services in the search bar and open it. Scroll down and find Windows Search Security Service. Double-click on it. Then click Stop to temporarily stop the service. Finally, click OK to save the changes. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command sfc/scannow. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.